Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to do my own makeup. If you're interested, keep watching this video, and if you're new, please subscribe. So first, I'm starting off with a clean face, and then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Retouch Primer. Okay, next I'm going to take my Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS in the color Medium Dark 1.5. Apply it under my eyes. And on my dark spots. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to do my eyebrows first. Alright, I'm gonna put the concealer in and then we're gonna do the eyebrows. Alright, next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I've never been good at doing my eyebrows, so this might just turn into a clown makeup tutorial because I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to my eyebrows. Let's not lose hope yet. We're gonna conceal it. We're gonna make it work. There's no way that this can be how people do their eyebrows. I suck. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the concealer and conceal my eyebrows. Oh my god, is it in the same shape? I'm just gonna try to blend this in. Oh god. This isn't even the right brush, probably. I'm wiping this off. I'm gonna try again. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eyebrows first. Actually, no, we have to put our primer on again. Primer is on. Now we're gonna try to do eyebrows. They just don't have a shape. I don't know how to shape them. This is so hard. So now we're just gonna add the concealer. Okay. And then we're gonna add the concealer on our face again. We're going to use this brush. We have to go with this brush. I think it's called a foundation brush. Okay, now for the concealer underneath on the eyebrows. I got this brush. I don't know what it's called. Concealer brush. And I'm just gonna drag it down. Drag it up so it's not so thick when I try to blend it. And I'm going to kind of straighten out my lines. I keep getting concealer on the actual eyebrow. Alright. Okay. Okay. And then next we're going to go in with the NARS foundation in the color Syracuse. 6 squirts should be good. And I take foundation brush and just mix it around in my hand and then start to dab it on my face. Gotta blend it with your neck so you don't look like you're wearing a face mask. Looking a little orange in the eyebrow area. That looks pretty from right here. I don't know about them eyebrows, but it looks pretty. Now I'm just completely blending the makeup in on my face. I don't know what to do next. I don't know if it's... Should I do highlight first? Do you do highlight first? I'm back with the translucent powder by Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna take the foundation brush and I guess you just put it on your face and let it sit. I'm just putting it on my face and letting it sit, and then I'm going to dust it off. But while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. The look I'm going for today is a soft glam one. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Alright, I think this translucent powder is done. Okay, and then, of course, you need to highlight your cheekbones. Highlight your tip of your nose. And then highlight your eyebrow arch. Have the Too Faced Peach Mist mattifying setting spray. So I'm gonna spray this. I think it looks pretty good on camera. Now in the mirror it looks cakey, it looks crazy, but here I look fabulous. Hold on, I'll be right back. I bought these lashes, I don't know when. Yeah, and this is how they look. Nothing spectacular, but we're gonna try it. Because I've never done this before, like, never. We're gonna do the left side first.
God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Apply it. I don't know how you apply it. Like this. Because I cannot. Can you guys tell it's on? Alright guys, this is the finished look. Tell me how I did in the comment section. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down any video suggestions that you have for me, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And thank you for watching.